The powerful Airmaster Tiger 16550 Direct Drive Air Compressor is perfect for workshop and DIY applications. It is perfect for spraying paint and other finishes, and the high rate of delivery makes it ideal for nailing, stapling, polishing, sanding, and other garage uses. The compressor has an easily accessible oil filler and sight gauge. The oil level should be checked daily. It features output pressure gauges, a regulator, twin outputs, and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tool's needs. A thermal safety cutout is located at the top of the compressor. The 16550's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand, and also ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This saves energy, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The CE-certified 3 horsepower 2200 watt motor drives the twin-cylinder 14.5 cubic foot per minute compressor to a maximum pressure of a whopping 8 bar. A wide range of air tool accessories are available from your local Clarke Stockist. The large 50-litre air receiver is protected by a fully automatic pressure switch. A condensate drain is located at the bottom of the tank, and this should be drained daily. The Tiger 16550 comes complete with wheels, a handle, air filters, a pressure regulator, twin gauges, and a safety valve. The Airmaster Tiger 16550 Direct Drive Air Compressor, the ideal compressor for workshop and DIY use.